How to change a 5 shelf stack to a 7 shelf stack with your Xiros Mikro. We advise taking out the trays to make changing the shelf stack easier and lighter. Open the door from your Xiros Mikro and pull out the 5 tray stack until you can access the connector plug at the back. Now unplug this connector. Make sure the orange rubber seal is still in place on the connector. You can put this 5 shelf stack aside and place the 7 shelf stack in front of the Xiros Mikro. Connect the 7 shelf stack to the Xiros Mikro connector and insert the new shelf stack into the machine. Now your Xiros Mikro with the 7 shelf stack is ready for use.